what is a will and what makes a will valid?
As long as it's a recordal of how you want to leave your deceased estate to your beneficiaries or your family members, it makes it legal in the South African law view. If it is a written law, it needs to be written, it needs to be signed, and it needs to be signed by 2 witnesses as well.
In terms of a will, who cannot inherit?
A witness is not allowed to actually inherit from the deceased estate as well. So if you witness the will, you're not allowed to actually inherit from the deceased estate.
What important clause would you suggest to put into that will?
There are a few important clauses: the executor nomination, fees for the executor, obviously the bequest clauses. There is an important case currently going on surrounding the revocation clause, meaning that we all start our wills. At the moment a client comes and sits with me, I start the will to state that this will now revoke any previous wills or codicils or any form of agreement that was ever written.
To prevent any confusion between
Yes.
two
Yes.
wills being in
Yes.
place and
Yeah.
dated.
The general accepted provisions are made to say that if you do have 2 wills, the latter signed will take precedent over the first one. But like we saw now with this case law that's also coming in now, it's not necessarily the case if you don't have the revocation clause in.